So I have this question to ask, yeah. Do you think that people that committed murder should benefit from presidential pardon? Yes, presidential pardon is like, as a president, Timbu has the right to pardon criminals, I mean inmates, anybody, and grant them mercy and let them to be free from no matter the crime that the person committed. The person will be free forever, for life. Even if you commit murder, even if you steal fowl, even if you steal generator, even if na fight where you make you enter prison, the president has the right to pardon you. So yes, this year, precisely on 11th of October, President Tinubu granted pardon to over 175 inmates, convicted Nigerians. So now we are asking, do you think that people that committed murder should benefit from presidential pardon?